Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that is widely used in various fields such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. In this tutorial, we will explore the basics of taking notes in Python with the help of code examples by Harry. Before we start, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from the official website, Python Downloads. Choose a code editor to write and run your Python code. Some popular choices include Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or Jupyter Notebooks. Comments are lines in your code that are ignored by the Python interpreter. They are useful for adding explanations or notes to your code. Here's an example. Variables are used to store data in Python. You can create variables to store information that you want to reference later. Here's an example. Functions allow you to group code into reusable blocks. They can also be used to add documentation to your code. Here's an example. Docstrings are used to document functions, modules, and classes. They are accessible using the help function. Here's an example. Classes are used to bundle data and functionality together. They are a way of organizing code in a more structured manner. Here's an example. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of taking notes in Python using comments, variables, functions, docstrings, and classes. By following these examples, you'll be well on your way to writing organized and readable Python code. If you have any questions or want to explore more advanced topics, be sure to check out additional resources and documentation available online. Happy coding! ChatGPT